Yes, please. I'll be with you in 30 minutes, okay? Yeah. Okay. In 30 minutes, I'll be with you. Alright, thank you. Happy.
Hey, it's the weekend. Where are you up to? Dressed like this?
So, babe, I need to meet up with a client. I I have some deals to sign. Yeah, and he needs all the attention he can get from me. He's VIP. I need to make sure I close up this deal.
But why didn't these clients come during the weekday? Why now? Today of all days? Why?
What's happening today? I can't remember.
Justin, are you doing this intentionally for you to be absent at the lunch date I planned with my friends? God.
Oh shoot! When is the date again? Is it today?
Definitely. I knew you were going to forget, and that is fine. All right. I wasn't expecting anything more. You know what? I'll just call it off. There's
No,
point.
it's okay. That you don't have to do that. Come on, listen. I'll I'll see my client and finish up with him, and I'll come right back to you. We can go together, okay?
Do not disappoint.
I'm not going to disappoint you. I promise to make it up to you this time, okay? Hey, baby, you have to work for us. We need all the money, right?
I've heard you. It's okay.
All right. I'll be back shortly.
Do not disappoint me.
I won't disappoint you, and don't call your party off, please.
I'm
All right?
counting on you.
Of course.
All right. Have a nice day.
All right.
Don't be long.
Careful.
Yeah, sure.
About you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality. But you keep going.
Girls, you're welcome once again. I'm so glad to have you all here. So, what can I offer you?
Not so fast, please. We're here for lunch. So there are lots and lots of food, drinks for us to eat. So why are you not asking us now?
That's true. That's true.
Juliet, my own is that your man is really doing well for himself.
You can say that again. Thank you.
My word. Do you know, when we were downstairs, I was actually saying in my mind, this place is exquisite.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are upstairs again. Come on, I lack words to describe how beautiful this place is. Juliet, come on, he's got a good taste.
Thank you. Where I haven't seen Justin.
He's at work.
Oh, really? As usual, he's always very busy.
Yeah. He has this very important client, like VIP. So he just went to sort out the client and he'll be back soon. He'll join us soon, don't worry. But while we wait for him, why don't we go to the kitchen and prepare the food? You girls should help me out. Let's go. All right. Up.
You mean you can go marry the man?
Clara,
My nails, like, I don't want to mess
hey,
up my
if
nails.
there's
you know.
something you can
I'm
do.
not
I will cut it off.
used to.
Clara, let us go to the kitchen. Drop your bag.
Oh,
Thank you.
Let's go.
Oh.
About you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality. But you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart. Thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go, I do it for you. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me, I'm doing this for you. Why are you complaining about everything? Girl, you have my heart. I have given it all to you. I will stand by you as long as you stand with me. Don't break my heart. Let's end this fight. It's tearing us apart. I don't like the way it's going. Don't break my heart. It is tearing us apart. You have to believe me that you're the only one I see. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day.
Spirit is not taking. Call him again.
Why are you complaining about everything? Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me.
Oh, hey, James.
Hey,
Ah,
it's really you.
how you doing? It's been a while, man.
Yeah, it's been a while.
How you doing? I'm okay.
Fine. What happened to your car?
My car, I don't know. It just stopped. I think something is wrong. But the mechanic is not picking up, and I don't know who else to call.
Oh my God.
Do you have someone in mind?
No, I don't have someone around here. My mechanic's not around here. Okay.
I don't know if I should just go pick up my other car, or so I don't know what to do.
Okay,
But I can't leave this here. I need to. Yeah.
Let's look around. Let's look for a mechanic around here so you can fix it.
All right, I'll just join you. Right?
Good.
Okay, that's fine.
Close up,
So,
okay? Lock it up.
Juliet, what is going on? It's past 4 p.m. already, and please call him one more time. Let's know what next to do.
I'll just call him one more time to give him the benefit of doubt. He's not picking up.
What do we do now, I need to go home. My husband will be waiting for me and my child.
My dear, this is all I go through just in the name of being in a relationship.
Juliet, what if he's cheating on you with me?
No. Justin cannot do such a thing. He's too committed to his job. He doesn't even have time for personal leisure. So why would he do such a thing? Like, he's so busy. Maybe he has forgotten about his dates. Yeah. Maybe.
Just don't know.
Okay, I'm just going to suggest that if we wait a little and he doesn't show up or pick his call, maybe we'll reschedule. I need to get going.
Yeah. No, I understand this. It's fine, right? It's fine.
Juliet, I think we have to leave. It's already getting late and Justin is not yet back. So at least we've tried.
Yes, Juliet, I have to go. My husband will be waiting for me and my baby too.
It's okay. I'll see you guys later.
Alright, let's go.
Don't you dare touch me! Do not!
Babe, hold on. Babe, what's wrong with you? Just calm down. I know you're upset, but I'm sorry. Listen, it wasn't intentional. My car broke down, and I was looking around for a mechanic to help me fix it.
Yeah, you should have remained there.
No, hold on, babe. I'm
Just
sorry.
let me
Listen,
be, Justin.
let's make it up.
I don't want to hear any crap.
I want to make it up.
Leave me!
Listen.
I always have one last for you.
My car broke down. My car broke down. Juliet. Babe, you need to talk to me. You have to believe me when I tell you I can never do anything to hurt you. I can never cheat on you. And I'm not saying this because you're my wife to be. I'm saying this because I love you. I'm saying this because it's the truth. You have to talk to me. All right, Juliet. Tell me what to do and I'll do it.
Can you just please let me be? I mean, what do you want me to say? I've heard you, right? Or you want me to believe that you did not spend the entire day with another woman? And like you asked me what I want. I just want you to leave me alone. Let me be, please. Just go to bed.
Hey,
That's it for you.
what is that?
My husband, why not take a look at it first? Then you ask your questions.
List. Are you buying all this?
My husband, everything written there is needed in the house. We don't have anything anymore.
Do you have plans of buying the entire supermarket? Do you know how much this would cost?
What do you mean if I want to buy the entire supermarket? Have you forgotten how expensive things are? Hold on a second. Why do you always fret each time money is mentioned in this house?
Because you always make demands as if there's a tree where I pluck money from.
Really now? You said that to me.
What do you need tissue for, Seth? Still use this tissue.
Juliet, it's an unpopular opinion, but I must tell you the truth. Your man is doing right by you financially. He's treating you beautifully well. Just take a good look at your hair. It's giving. Your expensive clothes, the jewelries, your shoe. Juliet, you are classy.
Thank you.
But your social life is not giving. Your social life is flat. What I'm saying is that your man lacks vibes. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Given to what happened the other day, plus all that you and Clara told me, I've come to a conclusion that your romantic life is off the wheel.
I totally agree with what you're saying. Justin is actually very boring. One that doesn't go to the club, he doesn't go to the bar, we don't even play together. Like two people at home playing together, maybe playing a video game or watching movies together. He doesn't do it. The only thing he cares about is business, money, and then sex whenever he wants to.
And I bet that comes occasionally. Tell me, Juliet, does he also starve you of sex?
Justin is good in bed whenever he wants to. The big question is when. He has a low libido, so it doesn't come often. But whenever he's in the mood, it's not bad at all.
Juliet, you need to get yourself another man. No, don't stare at me like that. I'm not asking you to quit it with Justin. No, I am just saying you should get a side man. A side man with the vibes. The one to fill in the gap when Justin is not there. Listen, you need to enjoy your life to the fullest before you get entangled in this web called marriage. One heavy mistake that I made, and I am yet to come out of it. Sometimes I wish I enjoyed my life to the fullest before saying I do to my husband. Because the moment you do, you are never ever going to enjoy it again. What I'm saying in essence is this: it's better you cheat on your man now that you don't have the ring yet, instead of doing that when you must have said I do. Even the Bible says it, that you should enjoy your youthful age while you still can. Because a time would come when you will regret not doing that. Juliet, I am a testimony to that verse. A lot of times I regret not enjoying my life to the fullest before saying I do. The truth is that there is nothing, absolutely nothing that will make me cheat on my husband ever again. That is because we are wearing the tiniest handcuff as inmates forever. Think about it.
I got back and you were not around.
Yeah,
The baby was crying.
Sorry, I went to see my friend. Oh, hi, baby.
So which of your friends? The one with the flashy car?
Have you been spying on me, Eric?
Stop giving me that look. I love my wife so much to engage in such nasty acts, okay?
So how come you know that my friend has a flashy car?
Baby forgot to have a gossip in this compound. I was ready to tell you anything. Well, she told me the first day your friend came here, and she also told me today.
Really?
Yeah. But I love you so much, and I trust my wife. So, I know there's nothing to worry about.
Anyways, I'm sorry about that. Just that I forgot to have in this compound. How was your day?
Fine.
Sorry.
Thank God we keep
You want to
pushing.
go to him? Sorry?
We keep pushing. Oh,
Sorry.
I think he's hungry.
Yeah.
You get his food.
Of course, and yours too.
Uh-huh.
You have been pushing very well, my husband, so. Hey, I'm off to get your food.
He has my eyes.
Juliet, you need to get yourself another man. No, don't stare at me like that. I'm not asking you to quit it with Justin. No, I am just saying you should get a side man. A side man with the vibes. The one to fill in the gap when Justin is not there. Listen, you need to enjoy your life to the fullest before you get entangled in this web called marriage. One heavy mistake that I made, and I am yet to come out of it. Sometimes I wish I enjoyed my life to the fullest before saying I do to my husband. Because the moment you do, you are never, ever going to enjoy it again. What I'm saying in essence is this. It's better you cheat on your man now that you don't have the ring yet. Instead of doing that when you must have said, I do.
Baby.
Hi, baby, you alright?
Aren't you working today?
No, I actually have an event to attend at 5 p.m.
Okay, I'm coming.
No, babe. I'm sorry, you can't.
Why not? Why not?
So it's an event packaged for branch executives. And I'm not meant to come with anybody. I was told that specifically. So you can't come with me.
But you never can tell. Some of your colleagues might come with their partners and...
That's impossible. So it was discussed prior before now that we're not meant to come with anybody. That's why you can't go with me.
Justin, what is this all about? Huh? What is this all about? Am I that ugly that you're not seeing me worthy of the event?
Babe, what are you talking about? Don't make this look like a big deal. It's not a big deal. I just said you can't come. I'm not the one making things up. It's an executive meeting. All right, for my colleagues and I. And I'm not supposed to come with anyone. I mean, if you can, I'll tell you, you can. There's nothing there.
Right.
Come on, babe. Take it easy now. It's not a big deal, okay? Are you okay? Babe, but you know, if it's something I can do, I'll let you come around. But I mean, where are you going?
I'm going to my mother's place. Dinner is ready and I've already ironed the clothes that you'll be wearing tomorrow.
Juliet, hold on. Really? You're going to your mother's place? Are you being serious? But we didn't discuss this.
Same way we did not discuss the party. I just know what you're doing. I know what you want to do. You want to just get rid of me, spend quality time with your side chick, and all right, here you go. You can have your time with her.
Juliet, hold on. Wait. Juliet, wait. Are you serious? Wait. Are you doing this because I said you can't come to the event with me? But it's not in my power. I just said no one is coming with their partners. That's what I said. Why are you making a fuss out of it?
I understand you. It's fine, actually. It's okay.
You know what? you can come with me. Let's go together.
Oh no, never mind. Just go do your thing.
Juliet, I insist. Let's go together. It's fine.
Sorry, I can't, Justin. Nothing about us has changed.
Why are you acting like a child? I just said let's go together.
But I said no. I just need to go back home, clear my head, drop my baggage. I just
Clear your head about what?
Everything about us. Nothing is changing. Can't you see?
Spaces where your laughter used to bloom.
Juliet.
Silent echoes in this hallowed room. I only see you when the moon is blue. Every bit of my heart still calls for you, and every breath I take just feels so blue. This is ache in my soul. It won't stop.
Hey, look who's back! Oh my God! Welcome!
Babe, I've missed you so much. Omo, ever since you left, I've been so bored. Like, I forgot that we live in this house together. How you doing? Juliet, what's wrong? You're not looking okay. Like, you've been out of this house for some time, and you coming back looking all pissed off. What is it? Did you fight with Justin?
I don't know why he does what he does to me. Honestly, I love him so much, and he knows that I love him. I guess that's why he's using it against me. Yeah.
Alright, tell me what happened. Because I've never seen you this pissed in a while. Is it because of Justin? Like, you came back because you guys had a fight or something? Can you just talk to me? I'm here for you, darling.
Justin likes living a secluded life. He barely goes out. Today he said he has a function, more like a colleagues thingy, get together and stuff. So I asked that I followed him, and then he bluffed. Clara, he rejected it. He refused bluntly.
Oh, well, the fact is that Justin knows you cannot do without him. That's why he's taking advantage of you. That's why he's so mean. So you don't have to let that bother you.
Can you just be honest with your answer? Am I not beautiful enough for a man to introduce me as his woman?
What are you saying? Of course you're beautiful. You're a queen. Look at yourself. Skin like milk.
So why does he keep doing this to me?
Of course you should know the kind of person Justin is. Men are scum. You don't need to bother yourself about any man. Look, you see men, you carry them on your shoulders, not in your heart. Because they will so breaky. You're too fine now. See fresh skin.
You would not understand.
Sweetheart, I want you to be happy. Forget about Justin and move on with your sweet life.
How have you been?
I'm good. I missed you so much.
Why is she not picking up? Huh? Switched off. But just rang. It's switched off. Juliet, why are you switching off the phone on me? You literally just turned off your phone.
Hey, get your hands off me. Mister, I am not in for whatever rubbish you want to do, alright? Please, let's go.
Juliet, calm down now. Why are you being hostile?
No, I'm not interested. I don't know him.
Just
Or whatever.
give him a listening ear. Please, let's just go. Let's go.
Starting.
Sorry, please. Can I help out?
Yes, why not? Open the bonnet so you can assist us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's fine, okay? So I was wondering, can I take you girls out for lunch?
Yes. To be honest, I'm very hungry and I know my friend is hungry too.
Alright, we'll just follow you behind.
Okay. Where have you been all these years that I'm just seeing you for the first time today?
I think it's fate. Yeah. I actually believe that fate has a way of bringing two amazing people together. Yes, so let's call it fate, mister.
Sorry. I'm Dennis. My sincere apologies for not properly introducing myself earlier.
And I am Ruth. My friend is...
I'd prefer to hear it from her.
Juliet.
Wow. Juliet. That's a beautiful name for a beautiful damsel like you. And from the look of things, you're single. But then why do I get this feeling you're not okay?
I'm fine.
Well, I believe with time we'll get to know each other better. And then you'll get to realize I'm the man for you. Juliet, please can I have your account details?
What's that for?
Nothing much, just to appreciate you for spending time with me today.
I beg to decline.
Come on, no hard feelings, okay? My mom has a saying, and I quote, "It's an honor worth appreciating when a lady gives you a most precious gift, which is her time," unquote. So I'm just trying to appreciate you for spending time with me. Please. Ruth, you get it, right?
All right. I beg to take my leave. Thank you for whatever you sent.
It's fine. I hope we get to do this some other time.
I'll give you a call when you get to drive safely.
Thank you.
All right, shall we? You want to leave me? I think that's why I said let's go.
All right. Yes.
Mr. Dennis. Thank you.
Thank you for your time today.
I buy you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality, but you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart, thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go, I do it for you. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me, I'm doing this for you. Why are you complaining about everything? Girl, you have my heart, I have given it all to you. I will stand by you as long as you stand with me. Don't break my heart, let's end this fight. It's tearing us apart, I don't like the way it's going. Don't break my heart, it is tearing us apart. You have to believe me that you're the only one I see. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me,
babe, you haven't told me how your day was today, and did you meet with any guy when you went under the sun with this your alluring beauty?
Clara, are you okay? There's nothing to tell. Mind your drink.
Of course you know I cannot. Why should I mind my drink? I'm here to guide your self-imposed darkness and mystery.
Who? Wait, are you...
Who's calling you at this time of the night?
Some of your business.
It has to be my business, because I wish the person calling you right now is Justin, because he is the only one that fits this your wandering legs.
You're not serious. You're very silly. Please, I have to take this call. Hello, Dennis. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm fine now that I've heard your voice.
I wasn't even expecting your call tonight.
Well, I hate to keep a beauty waiting.
Oh, please, you have a way with words.
But it's true. You know, it will be very bad of me to go to bed without hearing from you tonight.
Thank you. This was okay, all thanks to you. Thank you so much. I had a really great day.
So I was wondering, can I take you out on a date tomorrow, like a dinner date, so we can at least get to talk about life and everything in general?
Alright, tomorrow evening, I give you that honor.
No problem. See you tomorrow then, okay?
Sweet dreams. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Spill out, spill out.
What?
Who was that?
I don't like when you give me that look. What is it? Who was who? It's nobody.
Which one is nobody? Can you just tell me, who was that? Who's Dennis?
No one. It's no one. Forget about it.
Hey, I know you. I know when you give me that look, that pretentious look. Because obviously, you're hiding something from me. Very secretive.
There is nothing to tell. Forget it. I'm not spilling any tea. There's nothing to tell.
Okay. You know, at first I did not believe you, but now I believe you. That there's someone there. Who is he? Who is Dennis?
Can you just mind your drink,
Of
or you want me
course
to leave this place?
I cannot
for you?
mind my drink. No, I cannot. Can you just tell me? Don't be secretive.
Oh, Clara, let me be. There's nothing to tell. Just leave me alone.
Please, I'm not ready.
No! What do you want to do? You want to take my phone? Mind your business. Or you want me to leave this parlor for you?
You, this girl. You can be so secretive.
Really?
Now, to know.
Oh, Clara, there's no one. It's no one. There's no one. Forget it.
Okay, I hear you. But I will know very soon. Trust me.
Yes, I remember you. But sir, have you been to our Abuja branch? Okay. I'll advise you to walk straight to customer service, alright? Lay down your complaint, and I'm very, very certain that they would rectify the problem. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, okay. Just give me a call once you get there. I'll speak to them. Alright, thank you very much.
You haven't seen me in days and you didn't try to call or come over to the house to check up on me.
Babe, listen, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. My work has been crazy. I've been so busy. Like, it's not an excuse though, but I'm sorry, I'll make it up, okay? As we speak, I'm not feeling too well. I think I'm coming down with a flu or something. I'm actually on my way to see my doctor before you walked in.
So you're going to the hospital now?
Right away, yes. I don't feel too good. Maybe work stress or something. I need to find out.
Sorry.
Thank you. Just sit down, okay? Alright. Make yourself comfortable. I'll be right back. Alright?
Alright.
I'll be back before you know it, alright? Alright.
Bye.
Yeah. Juliet, come on. Why are you doing this now? Come around, man. Come close to me.
Oh, Justin, what is it now? How many times do you want to do it in one night?
What do you mean by that? I just had you once. I miss you.
Is once not enough?
It's not enough. I miss you.
I'm tired. You should sleep. You should be tired too. God.
Really? I should be tired too?
Yes.
So I don't have the right to miss you?
You have the right, but I'm tired. But you should just
Wait,
sleep.
what's really happening? Are you... Don't you care about me anymore? Like, don't you have feelings for me anymore?
Excuse you? Why would you ask me such question? Huh? What do you mean by don't I have feelings for you anymore? If I don't have feelings for you, why am I here?
So what's wrong with the question? I mean, I need to know if you still have feelings for me because you're not letting me touch you.
You shouldn't be asking me that question. We've already done it. I'm tired. You should be tired too. And we should be sleeping by now.
We did it hours ago, babe. What do you mean?
Listen,
Should I be begging you to do this?
Please, I am very tired and don't ask me that question anymore.
You know what? Just go to bed.
Nobody is sleeping until you explain to me what you mean by I don't care about you anymore. I need an explanation. What do you mean by that question you just asked?
I asked if you still have feelings for me. It's simple.
Why would you ask me such questions?
It's English language. Yes or no?
So if I don't have feelings for you, why am I still here with you?
You can be here and not have feelings for me.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, really? You're saying this to me?
No, but you just showed me you
How
don't
did
have
I show it to you?
Because you just...
Are you okay? I'll be okay.
I am not okay. Do you expect me to be okay under this heat? Are you okay?
I understand. I understand is my inability to do what I'm meant to do. I promise. I promise I'll fix the lights today.
My love, if you understand, please fix it up today. Pay the light bill for crying out loud. Just look at our child, sweating profusely even while at sleep.
My love, it's fine. I'll do my best. I'll try and fix this, okay? Remember Eric, way back. Things weren't like this, but I'll fix it. Just give me time, okay?
It's okay, I understand. You're trying to make me feel bad now.
I'll sort this out, okay?
Everything will be fine again.
Hello, Juliet. Madam, what's up?
Nothing much. I just want to find out if the guy we met the other day later called you back.
Is that why you're calling me? Seriously? But of course, you should know the answer by now.
Oh. Really? Is it that you don't want to see him again or what?
Well,
Can I call you back? I'm just in the office.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I didn't notice.
I'll call you back. So, how about your family, your husband, your kids? I hope everyone is doing okay.
They're fine. They're very fine.
Alright, that's fine. Take care, okay?
Okay. You take care, right? I'll call you later.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. No food on the table.
Oh, I'm sorry. It won't be ready.
That's because you've been busy on the phone. Who are you talking to?
My friend Ruth. If she was here the other day for lunch, you would have met her, but you were working.
So I overheard your conversation because your phone was pretty loud. The person asked after someone, a man precisely.
Man?
Mm-hmm.
I believe you heard wrongly. I don't know what you're talking about. Man?
Yeah, I heard about some man or something.
No, not me.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Yeah, let me just check.
Go to the kitchen and get food myself.
No. I'll do that. Wait, I'll do that.
Hello, beautiful. How are you? I'm fine. Just that I was wondering where this damsel of mine would be and what she's doing. You're bored? Well, in that case, I think I have the solution to your boredom. Yes. Yes, we could go swimming and then from there, you go catch fun elsewhere too. Alright. I'll pick you up shortly. Okay.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm okay. My God, you are so beautiful.
Thank you, and you are punctual again.
Well, I had been late. I got you this.
Oh, for me?
Yes.
Thank you.
It's okay, though it's nothing compared to your alluring beauty.
Thank you so much. Can we get going?
Sure.
All right. What?
Nothing, Juliet. It's just that you're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen.
Is someone not flattering me now?
Oh no, I am not flattering you and you know it.
Well, thank you so much. I mean, within a little space of time and you're lavishing me with so much care, lots of amazing compliments. You're trying to spoil me. I already have a lot in the trunk and you're willing to even do more.
Yes.
I feel so overwhelmed by all this.
You're most welcome, and all these things I'm doing, because I love you. Okay?
Oh, and I love you right back.
You're sweet.
So, where did you say you want to take me then?
Baby, I had such an incredible moment. It's been long since I had such pleasurable time. You're just the best. And I remember you said you love me. Is it true? Do you really mean it?
Baby, let me go get us something to eat, okay?
Where are you going?
Let me fix us something to eat, okay? And one thing I want you to know is this. I love you, and I will always do what's best for you.
And I love you too, babe.
That's so sweet of you. Come here. Baby, please, can I go too?
Yeah.
So sorry, sweetie. I'm sorry about what happened today. I know I made a promise to you, but when you were trying to call me, my battery went flat. I wasn't even with my charger. I'm so sorry, baby. As I was trying to find a way around it, I had this bad tummy upset. I'm so sorry, please, babe.
It's okay. It's all in the past now, so it's...
I know you are still upset. Baby, please, I'm so sorry, okay? Alright.
I'm not upset. I was just...
You are. I can see it in your eyes. I know you too well. But hey, I'm here now. Alright? Please, baby. I'm sorry.